be showing you my favorite ways to create a zen, clean space to relax, decompress in, just be as ultimately stress relieving as possible. Because let's be honest, life is so stressful and we all need to relax. So without further ado, let's get into it. First things first, in order to create a zen, peaceful, stress-free space, we have to clean it up. The more stuff that's out, the more we have to think about. The more possibilities of, did I do this or do that? Did I get this done? Let me clean that. There's just a lot less to think about when there's a whole lot less clutter. Next thing I do is I grab all the candles in the house, I bring them over to my island, my kitchen, and I light them all. Because they all smell a little different and they're all different flavors, but I love the candlelight that it gives off. It's just so pretty. And all the scents I tend to get all kind of smell, I don't know, are they in the same smell family, I guess? I don't know. And then all I do is just set them out everywhere. So this one's gonna be in the kitchen. This one I'm gonna put in the living room because that's where I'm gonna hang out. My candle stock is a little low, so I don't have as many candles as I usually have. I lit 2, but I usually have like 5 or 6, and I kind of just like scatter them throughout the house. I love the light, it's very relaxing, it's mellow, and it just makes me feel good just looking at them. Candles have a good vibe, so we love them. And then the next thing we do is turn off these big lights. I don't know, are they called floodlights? I have no clue. Turn off all the big lights that are recessed lighting. I don't know what I'm trying. And just take them off. And exchange for that, we get the opportunity to turn on the tree. It should have been on, it's usually on like all day, but I kind of forgot to turn it on today. As you can tell, lighting is super massive within making a place really chill. So now the kitchen is looking really good. The living room is starting to look good. Once it gets darker outside, I also like turning on my lights that are on my little porch thing, but it's too light outside for that. Then I come into the bedroom. So you have one light, turn on another, and then this one is super cool. Carter loves this light. So as it gets darker, the room gets cooler and more like a galaxy. It's actually in another vlog I put together. It was from my full moon routine. You'll actually see this baby like in its full glory in that. Last but certainly not least, the neon sign. Hey Google, turn the lights on. How great is that, right? Lighting is everything. Positioning of lighting is everything. And as you can see, the lights are just very evenly spread out, which I think helps keep the room together but not overly clustered. I don't know. I don't even know if that makes sense. So once I've cleaned up the space, turned on some lights, got a couple candles going, the next thing I like to do is turn on my favorite chill playlist. Right now it's Rainy Day Jazz on Spotify. It honestly is ever changing, but this one I've consistently been digging. So like, yes, Rainy Day Jazz, come through. I'm so relaxed. I'm in my happy spot. This is my favorite part of the couch. The corner slice, the corner piece of heaven. In my white couch. Some of my favorite things to do while I'm sitting back and relaxing is meditate, listen to a podcast, listen to literally anything inspirational, read books. Like, this is your safe space, you know? Enjoy it. Create your own coffee shop atmosphere. It's possible. It's literally the only way I'd survive is having wind down moments like this. So I'm so happy and grateful that you guys chose to spend this little bit of time with me and watch this video. And so if you haven't already, join the squad and subscribe, like, comment. If you are doing Vlogmas and checking out this video, I would love to see what videos you are posting. So go ahead and post them down below or link me to them or comment on my videos so I could see. And yeah, oh my gosh, this is Vlogmas. Vlogmas is freaking cool. Anyway, until then, I will see you guys in the next video. I don't even know what's coming next. I guess you'll have to wait and see.